Hello guys, you're welcome once again over here on this platform, and today in this video I want us to fix NBA 2K not working or not opening problem. So if you're facing this problem, then this is what you have to do to fix the problem. First of all, you have to move on to your phone menu, scroll down a little bit, try to search in for your phone settings, and when you find it, just tap on it. Now scroll down and try to search in for your app management. Other phones you're going to see app in preference or app preference. Other phones you're going to see app list. Just tap on it and you're going to see app list over here. Tap on it, and after tapping on it you're going to see it loading. So after loading you're going to see the search application over here. Then you search in for NBA and you're going to find it over here. We have NBA 2K and NBA Live. So select the NBA 2K. Now tap on notifications and make sure this is turned on like this. After that, go back and tap on permission and make sure you allow every permission. And as you can see, notification is allowed, and that's the only permission over here. Now tap on storage and cache. After that, tap on declare cache. Go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Now what you have to do is to make sure the background data is turned on. Now you have to go back, then tap on the first step, tap on OK to confirm it. Then after that, what you have to do is to restart your device. Do you get me? But before you restart your device, please try to update your NBA 2K app on iOS or your Android. When you're using an iOS or Android, you have to go to Play Store or App Store to update it. So after updating it, you have to tap on your power button for some while to restart. Then this is how it's done. And you're going to see these two options. After tapping on your power button for some while, you're going to see power off and restart. Select restart and try to restart your device after updating it, and this problem is going to get fixed. If it doesn't get fixed, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm going to help you out with a different trick. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.